Hey guys, it's Shama Maher here, CEO of Scaling Retail, and this week on Retailing Weekly, we're talking about Amazon again. Now, what's so interesting about Amazon is they've tried so many times to enter into the fashion market. Not only from launching that division back in the day when they brought on Julie Gilhart, but to all the different brand collaborations and all the different ways in which they've tried to implement the luxury market or even aspirational market onto their site. But guess what? Brands haven't been buying. So what is Amazon to do? Well, with the recent addition of this launch of the drop, Amazon may have found the trick. Now, the drop is going to be a text message based notification that you get. A curated influencer is producing a few piece collection. It might be some basics. It could be some high fashion items. And the product is only available for 30 hours. So then what happens? You place your order. Those pieces are made and ordered on demand, so they're only producing exactly what's ordered. And because the collection will never go live again, it's pretty likely that you're going to be one of the only or few people out there who are going to have access to that particular product. So this is amazing for a number of reasons. Number one, Amazon's leverage and use of text message marketing, which is going to be fantastic. You can only find out about the drops through texting. So guess what? They now are going to be converting millions of shoppers into getting on board to their text messaging platform and program, which is going to be great for a whole host of other data-driven reasons. And then they're also leveraging influencer marketing. So by having these influencers create these collections, they'll be tapping in and leveraging those Instagrams, influencer profiles. And what's amazing about that is it really piggybacks very well onto Amazon's newly rebranded influencer marketing program through Instagram. So again, closing another amazing loop between shopping on Instagram, shopping on Amazon, so leveraging that closed circle, close the loop on the payment gateways, and then also leveraging the marketing components of these influencers, right? Super amazing. And then they're only producing what they need. So very smart in terms of limited edition and exclusivity. Also great in terms of wastage and shortage. So sometimes brands and almost always overproduce based on their minimums. So now that they'll only be producing exactly what they're selling, so much better for the environment, so much cleaner in that way. And then the collection's never to be found again. And because you never know when an influencer is going to be dropping their collection, you are always going to be on alert, right? You don't know when they're going to do it the first time, the second time, the last time. So it's creating this very gamified, hyper-stimulated shopping environment. Personally, very excited to see what happens with Amazon with the drop. I will certainly be signing up, and I'd love to hear what you guys think about how this new initiative is going to change the way in which not only collections are dropped, but how we're leveraging text message marketing and influencer collaborations. All right, guys, that's all for me. Head over to scalingretail.com and check out our blog for lots of news, articles, ideas on how to scale and run your fashion business. And then make sure you send us an email at hello@scalingretail.com if you're looking to add on some expert retail strategists to your existing or growing team of retailers. All right, talk to you later, guys. Bye.